10 states with the highest average salary in the US. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will look at 10 states with the highest average salary in the US. We have also explored average and median incomes in the US along with some companies that have recently increased salaries in the US. Let's start. Number 10. Virginia. Annual average salary, $65,590. Add. Virginia is an eastern state steeped in colonial history, with Jamestown, Monticello, and Shenandoah National Park. These historical parks reflect Virginia's rich heritage, landscapes, and cultural attractions. Number 9. Alaska. Annual average salary, $66,130. Alaska is the northernmost state, with a population of 732,673 as of 2020. Alaska is the most isolated state in the U.S. Number 8. Colorado. Annual average salary, $67,870. Oracle Corporation and Amazon.com Inc. are two of the biggest companies in Colorado. The state is celebrated for the Rocky Mountains, skiing, and progressive cities. This explains why the city attracts outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Number 7. Connecticut. Annual average salary, $69,310. Connecticut is in New England with colonial history and proximity to major cities. It combines elements of history with modern infrastructure. It is one of the wealthiest states in the U.S. Number 6. Maryland. Annual average salary, $69,750. Add. The last measured GDP per capita for Maryland was $61,042 in 2018. It is an eastern state with the Chesapeake Bay, Baltimore's harbor, and rich history. Number 5. New Jersey. Annual average salary, $70,890. New Jersey is known for its diverse communities, Atlantic coastline, and proximity to New York and Philadelphia that offers a blend of urban attractions with beach getaways. It is one of the wealthiest states in the U.S. Number 4. Washington. Annual average salary, $72,350. Washington is home to the stunning Cascade Range, Seattle's tech hub, and abundant outdoor recreational opportunities, including Mount Rainier and Olympic National Park. The last measured GDP per capita for Washington was $67,901 in 2018. Number 3. California. Annual average salary, $73,220. California is famous for Hollywood, Silicon Valley, and iconic landmarks like the Golden Gate Bridge and Yosemite National Park that provides a unique blend of culture and nature. It has one of the highest average salaries in the U.S. Number 2. New York. Annual average salary, $74,870. Add. New York State, located in the northeastern U.S., is renowned for its iconic New York City, a global hub of finance, culture, and arts. New York City, New York, is one of the world's wealthiest cities with over 340,000 millionaires. Number 1. Massachusetts. Annual average salary, $76,600. Massachusetts holds a prominent place in American history. Home to Boston, the cradle of liberty, it played a pivotal role in the American Revolution. The state has prestigious universities, including Harvard and MIT, and is a hub for the healthcare, technology, and biotechnology industries. Its coastal beauty, cultural landmarks, and progressive values contribute to its unique allure. It is the state with the highest average salary. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.